Hey, what's up, guys? Scarps here, and I just wanted to go ahead and show off this little tool that I was kind of requested to make for some hotkeys and whatnot. So yeah, basically what I've got here is just a set of hotkeys that allow me to shift through the colors using the WASD keys, and then also I can shift colors here, as you see down bottom with Q and E while holding space. Basically makes it so we can do shifting a color very quickly, which is sort of what they wanted. So yeah, this was requested by a couple of users on Reddit, Wizard564 and Boss VI3T. Both are looking to get this something like this created, so I went ahead and threw it together. Anyways, I just wanted to quickly show you how to get the hotkeys all set up and whatnot, so you can just use hotkeys instead of having to run commands and stuff up here. But yeah, anyways, let me show you how to get this thing installed. Alright, so basically what we need to do to get this to work is, after you download the zip file from itch.io, I've got it right here, so quick color hotkeys.zip. If you go ahead and jump in there, there's a folder for quick color hotkeys, and we're just going to put that in our scripts folder. So we'll just go in here, open script folder, which will pop this open, and we'll just place this in here. So that's cool. Close this. Now if you hit F5, or you can come up here and go to rescan, what will happen is this folder will now show up with all of these here, and it looks like these are already set for some reason. Maybe it's because I didn't refresh it between having it installed, so I'm just going to clear these out. Essentially, how this is going to work is just going to set these hotkeys to whatever you like, and so you come up here to edit keyboard shortcuts, and then you're going to scroll down until you see the folder quick color hotkeys, and then each one of these here, and I sort of use the space and the WASD and the QE keys just because it's kind of nice to be able to go up, down, left, and right, and then shift between these. So I thought that was kind of cool. So yeah, so basically on the saturate less, that's coming this way in the saturation. So we'll go ahead and set that to space and A. Saturate more, so that's coming to the right side of the color grid here. So space and D. Shade darker, so that's coming down. Then do space and S. Shade lighter, that's going to go up. So space and W. And shift hue down, which is going down the color scale here, or the spectrum. So we'll go ahead and set that to space Q, and then the other one is going up, so we'll do add space E. So now you'll see that if I hold space and I hit the S key, the color goes down in value or shade, so that's pretty neat. If I go space A, you see it goes down to desaturation, so this will be less saturated than this here. So, and of course D just does the opposite. So yeah, you can just kind of zoom around here, and this is really just to be able to, you know, quickly grab something really quick without having to mess around with coming in here and doing that by a set value. But yeah, and then Q and E, again, will shift through the colors. So I can hold this down, and this will shift all the way through them. And the same with this, you can hold this down to kind of go faster through this. And I'll kind of navigate through the color spectrum. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's kind of just a quick overview. You know, apologies for this like kind of quick and dirty video, but I just wanted to make sure that those users were able to get the hotkeys set up. I might do something in the future that's a bit more, you know, stylish, I suppose. But this is sort of just a live one run and gun go at, you know, making this little video. So yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, yo.